determination of pH and consequently determination of later on determination of pKa. The burette is filled with sodium hydroxide. And we are adding this sodium hydroxide into a solution of acid. This is acetic acid in which we are adding the sodium hydroxide. 1 ml.
Stop.
In each time. Now it has to be stirred. The next part is to determine the pH of this solution. This is the pH reading of this solution and it is 4.69. This is 4.69.